Over the past few months or years, I've actually had a couple of friends who have ventured into the online entrepreneurship business. And what I mean by online entrepreneurship is the fact that they put their products there online on maybe a social media platform, or if they have the money, they go ahead to build a website and then paste their products there. They sell it, they get people to buy them, and then they make money. Today's video is geared or centered towards helping my entrepreneurial friends, not my friends alone, but all these entrepreneurial people who put their businesses online, to help them with an entrepreneurial toolkit to boost their businesses in a way. So this video is going to be in 3 parts, but this is the first part. I go by the name Delpy. Let's get this video started. So, online entrepreneurial business is something that has become a norm now here in Ghana, and as such, I find it very relative that I would be able to use technology or applications or softwares to help these online entrepreneurial services to boost their businesses. I have a lot of friends who are into these entrepreneurial business. I have Jenny's Couture, I have Shansy's Courier services, I have Speecakesandbakes, I have Plushdesserts, I have Chocolate Glow. All these people are people who have online businesses and they're entrepreneurs. But I've always asked myself, how do they go about entrepreneurial business? And today we are talking about receipts. A friend of mine who is also an entrepreneur pitched this idea to me and asked me to make a video about it so that I could help these online entrepreneurs. Now, maybe someone will say receipts. Receipts in the sense that these online entrepreneurs don't usually go ahead giving out receipts to their customers. So my friend who pitched this idea to me told me that he's also an entrepreneur. He's feta writes. He actually writes books, and he's a poet who writes books and then sells them. He decided to sell a book to one of his customers, and once he delivered the book, his customer asked for a receipt, which is not one thing online entrepreneurs do. So he went ahead to Play Store to download an app called Receipt Fast. Now what Receipt Fast does is it generates receipts for you very quickly, depending on what you sold to the person. So maybe you sell crochet tops like Jenny's Couture does, or you sell cakes like Speecakesandbakes and Plushdesserts does. All you have to do is to just input the kind or the type of product you are selling and then put it in there, generate the amount you have, and then you just send it to them. You realize that when you do something like that, it adds a bit of professionalism to your services. And I find it very intriguing and exciting that you don't need to go to a bookshop, a random bookshop, to purchase a receipt book and write all over. You can just download a Receipt Fast app from Play Store or from the App Store, generate your receipt for your customer, and then you can then send a soft copy to them. You can also print it out as well once you are done. And trust me, it's a very, very efficient way to keep your entrepreneurial business online. So to my online entrepreneurs, maybe you don't know the essence of receipts. You've always thought of just receiving the money, wallet, sliver, your mobile money, your Airtel Tigo cash, or your Vodafone cash accounts, or maybe bank transfers, but you've never thought of giving out receipts for the products that have been purchased. And that might be a bad thing. So you should go ahead and start incorporating the habit of using receipts. And I recommend Receipt Fast or any other downloadable receipt software on the Play Store for you guys. Links to all these persons' names I mentioned will be in the description. Make sure to follow their social handles and purchase from them. I'm Delpy once again. Thanks for watching my video. Stay safe. Peace out.